If your Twitter account got suspended, don't freak out. I've been there, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how I got mine back, step by step. First, when you try to log in and see the suspension notice, click on the link that says Learn More. It'll take you to the Twitter Help Center. Scroll down and select File and Appeal. Now here's what most people don't realize. The appeal form is your one shot to convince Twitter that your account deserves to be restored, so keep it short, honest, and respectful. In the form, write something like this. Hello Twitter support, my account was suspended and I believe it was a mistake. I always follow the platform rules. Please review my account. Thank you. Don't argue or blame Twitter. It doesn't work. Be calm and polite. After sending the form, you'll get a confirmation email from Twitter. Reply to that email immediately and repeat your message briefly. This tells the system you're serious and human, not a bot. Now, here's the key part. Patience. It usually takes 24 to 72 hours for them to respond. If you haven't heard back after a few days, send a follow-up email using the same thread. Also, check your spam folder every day. Twitter's responses often land there. If your suspension was for spam or automation, explain that you've reviewed your activity and won't repeat it. Showing accountability helps a lot. Once Twitter reviews your case, you'll get an email saying your account is unsuspended, and you can log back in normally. And that's how I got my suspended Twitter account back. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick 2025 tutorials. See you next time.